Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Mark Rushing. I have experience in IT and systems management, as well as in the culinary world, hospitality, and real estate in New York City. And today I want to share a glimpse into how I have had to create an Active Directory. I hope this helps. The goal here is to show you the critical importance of planning and documentation, especially when you're setting up a complex system like Active Directory. I wanted to focus on the initial steps, the foundation before diving into more advanced automation. The first thing I did was create a spreadsheet. This wasn't just a random list, it was a carefully structured table that outlined a fictional organization. It has departments, staff names, contact information, and even office locations. Why? Because this information is the bedrock of a well organized Active Directory environment. When you're dealing with real world deployments, you need to understand the organizational structure inside and out. This sheet was my guide. It helped me visualize the hierarchy and plan my organizational units or OUs. Without this, I'd be building in the dark. It's the difference between a chaotic mess and a clean, manageable system. Planning is important. So, using the information from my spreadsheet, I started creating my OUs. Each department, like HR, IT, and sales, became its own OU. This allowed me to group users and computers logically, making it easier to apply group policies and delegate administrative tasks later on. I also created a couple of security groups manually just to get a feel for the process. For example, I made a sales team group and added a few users from my spreadsheet. This manual setup gave me a solid understanding of how groups work before moving to automating the process. Documentation is also really important for this process. I took notes and saved screenshots. Now, creating OUs and groups manually is fine for a small environment. But what about a larger organization? That's where automation comes in. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I use Gemini combined with PowerShell commands to automate the creation of users and groups. It's a game changer, and it really highlights the power of combining AI with scripting. I'll show you how to prompt Gemini for the correct PowerShell commands to create users and groups based on your spreadsheet. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. See you next time.